Sure. Here's a comprehensive guide on Python exception handling, complete with explanations and code examples. Python exception handling tutorial. What is exception handling? Exception handling in Python is a way to manage errors that occur during the execution of a program. When an error occurs, Python raises an exception, which can be caught and handled gracefully, allowing the program to continue running or exit gracefully. Key concepts. 1. Exceptions: an event that disrupts the normal flow of execution. The normal flow of exception. Try block the block of code where exceptions may occur. Except block the block of code that handles the exception. Finally, block that executes code regardless of whether an exception occurred or not. Else block, a block that runs if the tree block does not raise an exception. Basic syntax. Here has the basic syntax for exception handling Python tree code that may raise an exception except some exception code that runs if an exception occurs, else code that runs if no exceptions occur, finally code that runs no matter. For example, basic exception handling. Let's write a simple program as 0 and had us hand says Test the function divide numbers 10. To normal case divide numbers 10. 0 division by 0 output. The result is 5.0. Execution completed. Execution completed. Error cannot divide by 0. Execution completed. Catching multiple exceptions. You can handle multiple exceptions by specifying them in a tuple. Be specific. Catch specific exceptions instead of a general exception. Cleanup. Use finally for cleanup actions, like closing files or connections. Log exceptions. Use logging to record exceptions for debugging. Don't suppress exceptions. Avoid using bare except clauses that suppress all exceptions. Conclusion. Exception handling is an essential part of Python programming that allows you to write robust and user-friendly applications. By utilizing tree, except, else, and finally, you can manage errors gracefully and ensure that your programs can handle unexpected situations without crashing. Summary. Use tree and except to catch exceptions. Handle multiple exceptions with tuples. Use raise to throw exceptions when needed. Create custom exceptions for better error management. Follow best practices for effective exception handling. With this knowledge, you can handle exceptions in Python confidently. Happy coding!